Well, this is Tulani Daniso. I want to alert you something today. I know that most people in our day, they want to use energy drink as the way to elevate their energy to high. As people mostly are working for night shift, they're working long hours. So now the only way to elevate their energy is to use the energy drink. You can call it Score, Dragons, and so on. There are a lot and pile of the energy drinks that people are using. And I know that people will ask themselves a question that these drinks are being sold in the market. What can we do? I want to tell you that there's a lot of things that are sold in the market that are a danger to our health. So now we are getting even more people who are coming to our healthcare centers with heart problems because of the energy drinks. So when you start the energy drink, your body will accept it, but then you end up getting addicted to it. So meaning that your body needs it more frequently. So as far you think that you are doing good for yourself because you are able to make more money, to work extra shifts, but you are doing the danger to yourself. You are doing the danger to your heart, because now when you drink an energy drink, your heart palpitation level, it increases. So as it increases, it hurts the muscles of your heart, even the flow of the blood in your body. So at the end, you end up with heart disease. So that is the danger that people are running on, to get more heart disease, to get more high blood pressure, which is hypertension, and all other elements, or all other kinds of heart disease you might be getting. Now we find that young children with strokes, young children with problems with their heart, because of people now, they want to use energy drink in every aspect. So if you are here, you are watching this, and then you are also the lover of the energy drink, I give you a warning today. Please stop it as soon as possible. If you love yourself, you love your health, stop taking energy drink, because as far you think that you are doing good for yourself, you are earning more, you are killing yourself. You won't make it for long because of the drink that you are taking. Okay, thank you very much. Hoping this is informal. This information, you will lose it for a greater thing. Sure.
Meow.